Hey everybody, Chad at Turner's Warehouse, and today I'm going to show you the Strider pen kit. This is a new pen kit. It is a Parker style refill. Twist in the middle section here. It's got a cool fluted front tip, knurling around the center. We put a nice robust clip on it here, so you can use it as a pocket clip and it won't break on you. And then it's got a cool stacked rear end here. So it comes in gold, chrome, black, and gunmetal. Okay, so let's assemble the Strider. It's a pretty simple assembly. You've got your front section with your transmission, threads together into the knurled part. Then your ink refill with the spring goes in, and then the transmission on the very end into the threaded end. Now this is where the twist mechanism is. So we'll set that down, and then we'll assemble the rear of the pen. The finial goes into the clip, and then you need to decide which end of the blank you want the clip on. Now, both ends are the same, so you can look for any flaws or anything that you want to cover up or you want to feature, and you can put it in. I'm going to go this direction because I like the way the lines are here. So I'm going to load it into the pen press. The pen press is a Milescraft. It's got spring-loaded tension on it, and I can put these plungers up to stop it. And I just want to make sure everything's in place and slowly start to press, making sure that nothing gets crooked or tilts on you. And then you can give it a final press. And that's it for the rear finial. Then the front section presses in. And these can be a little tricky the first time getting them all lined up. Sometimes I have to back it up and give it a little shove. And then you'll see when I twist, it's twisting at this junction here. And there it is. So you've got a really cool pen, a nice robust clip with the fluted front.